Tired of dealing with annoying flies, fruit flies, and gnats in your home? The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is your ultimate solution. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description now to get your Zevo Flying Insect Trap on Amazon and enjoy a bug-free home today.
Shiloh Jolie-Pitt was seen for the first time following news that a court hearing to legally drop Pitt from her last name has been delayed. The 18-year-old daughter of former Hollywood power couple Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt stepped out solo in Los Angeles on Wednesday afternoon. Shiloh, whose older brother Pax, 20, was involved in an e-bike accident earlier this week, was dressed in a black hoodie, black jeans, and vibrant yellow sneakers. Her cropped blonde hair was pulled back off her makeup-free face with a brown spring headband. The teenager had another jacket over her arm and her iPhone in hand as she left a friend's home in the afternoon. Earlier this week, Shiloh's attorney confirmed that a court hearing in her ongoing effort to change her legal last name had been delayed due to a clerical error. The latest development comes about 2 months after Shiloh expressed her intent to drop Pitt from her name after turning 18 on May 27. Peter Levine, who is serving as legal representation for Jolie-Pitt in the matter, told People in a statement Monday, "Unfortunately, the court was unable to complete the background check ahead of today's hearing, so the hearing was rescheduled for August 19. Levine explained the logistics of the process, and why Monday's hearing in Los Angeles Superior Court had been pushed back. Everyone undergoing a name change request needs to have a background check conducted by the court clerk, and because of clerical error, Shiloh's hearing has been continued to a new date," Levine told the outlet. Jolie and Pitt, who separated in 2016 and have been finalizing the terms of their divorce in the 8 years since, are also parents to children Maddox, 22, Zahara, 19, Pax, 20, Knox, 15, and Vivian, 15. In June, an insider close to Pitt told People that the Oscar-winning actor was aware and upset that Shiloh dropped his last name. The insider added, "The reminders that he's lost his children is of course not easy for Brad. He loves his children and misses them. It's very sad." Shiloh earlier this month published a statement in the Los Angeles Times to declare her intent to change her legal name from Shiloh Nouvelle Jolie-Pitt to Shiloh Nouvelle Jolie, in accordance with state law, TMZ reported. Prior to a judge approving a name change petition, a legal form must have been published in a newspaper a month ahead, according to People. An insider in June told DailyMail.com that Shiloh hired her own lawyer and paid for it herself, so Angie doesn't know and can't speak for it. But, if you're asking if this is connected to the abuse history or the violation of Shiloh's victims' rights, yes, that's part of it. Jolie said that Pitt had behaved physically abusive toward her, shaking and pushing her during a private jet flight in 2016, per an FBI report on the altercation that was published in 2022. Jolie told authorities with the FBI that Pitt had said to their children that she had been ing up this family, and hit the airplane's ceiling multiple times. Jolie said to officials that Pitt had poured alcohol on a blanket she was under her children within the 2016 incident. Pitt and Jolie's high-profile relationship began in the wake of his 2005 divorce from ex-wife Jennifer Aniston, 55. Pitt and Jolie did not get legally married for years, as they welcomed multiple kids, until getting engaged in 2012 and married in 2014. Jolie, whose films include Maleficent, Lara Croft, Tomb Raider and Girl, Interrupted, filed for divorce in 2016, and both she and Pitt had been declared legally single 3 years later. Pitt, the star of films including Fight Club, Moneyball and Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, has been romantically linked to jewelry designer Ines de Ramon since 2022.